Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to see if we can use OpenAI to write a Python script, specifically a Selenium Python script, and let's see how far it gets us. So, in this example, we're going to put in our query, write a Python Selenium program that opens a web page, and we're just going to run this prompt. And this is what it gives us back. So let's put this into PyCharm and see how far it takes us. Let's see how much bugging this is needed here. Okay, it's just new line. Okay, these are code comments. Okay, thank you for the code comments. Driver equals WebDriver dot Chrome driver dot get. So that's okay. This should be lowercase. That was my mistake. Driver equals WebDriver. Let's see. Let's just run this. See what happens. And if what the heck, it works. Holy cow! Unreal. So yeah, for basic coding, this seems to frickin' work. That's unreal. All right, let's see if we can take this a little farther. Write a Selenium program that opens a web page and download and prints the title tag. Or I'll just prints the text. We'll start ambiguous and then go specific. Write a Python Selenium program that opens a web page and prints the text. Okay. Okay, what is this? Create a WebDriver project. No, I can already tell you that this won't work. It didn't understand what I'd said. Maybe prints the H1 to console. Yeah, there you go. That looks good. This looks a bit more usable. Let's copy this and put it in here and clean it up. So the from Selenium import WebDriver, that looks correct. We set our driver to equal WebDriver.Chrome, looks correct. We open our example page, that looks correct. H1 underscore element equals driver.find element by tag name H1. I can already tell you that this is an older version of Selenium. And then it says here, print H. Well, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Print H. H isn't really, maybe I meant to say H1 element. We'll just fix that here. See, it's using an older version of Selenium. So and that's definitely so there is a bit of a, once you get into deeper stuff, it's just not going to be updated enough. It's going to be older versions. So maybe I can put this back into right. So here's the cool thing. I can say debug this code. Oh jeez. No, maybe I can't. I don't want to go with all the escapes. No, I'm not going to debug it. But yeah, it's just using an older version. Otherwise, this method no longer exists. It's been deprecated. Yeah, unfortunate, but we were close. We were very close. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. If you get anything out of this video, hit the like button. I'm going to do some more videos on how OpenAI can write code, how OpenAI can code. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.